where the shade is so I can look at some of the other bugs. Daddy, look, these four just happened. This guy just came out of that shell. All these guys are in the winged formation now. They can fly.
Well, he has just spread his wings.
Looks like the other three are waiting. This is really cool, Dad. They talk about a science lesson, biology lesson for the day. Here it is. As you can see, they look a lot different from the old ones because they have like big black things and big red eyes and wings. And also they have fangs now.
Well, give them a day or so, and they will become the big black critters that you know.
Well, yeah. I mean, how come that I don't see these guys later in the day? Do they like burrow into the tree?
I don't know where they hide.
There's one up there on that log.
Oh, see, he got up high.
Maybe that way he'll teach himself how to fly.
Yep.
I don't see anybody low over here.
Yeah, just keep your eyes because they're starting to crawl up.
What does that mean?
They're starting to come up out of the ground, so.
Watch your feet. I didn't mean that in a mean way.
No, we don't want to step on anybody.
Excuse me. As you see over here, there's not really anybody over here.